Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is soft glam. I wanted to create a look that would suit everybody and that everybody could wear, and whilst this isn't a look that necessarily would be a day-to-day makeup look, it is a makeup that you could wear for a special occasion. So if you were going out or going somewhere special or going out for a nice meal, or perhaps it was a date night, this look would be absolutely a perfect choice. It's a not in your face type of a look and it's completely inoffensive. Applied well, this look will afford you lots of compliments. You will look like you've got makeup on, but it won't look too heavy. It's not a natural everyday makeup. It's not something that you'd wear to go shopping. Some people would, I suppose. I wanted this makeup to look like you are wearing makeup, but without being overly heavy, without being overly obvious. So it's a nice, subtle, soft glam makeup. So this video is for you if you want to learn how to create a soft glam look at home, and it's the kind of look that you can pull out again and again and again, and you can wear it for so many different occasions. So I would suggest that you take the time, learn how to create this look, and I'm sure it will serve you well. Let's get to it. As you can see, I have already done my brows. If you want to know more about brows, you can check out my brow tutorial, which I will link down below. To start this look, I'm going to take the P.LOUISE base, and that is in the shade 2. For this natural glam look, I wanted a colour that was really close to my own skin tone because I want to be able to blend the colours in seamlessly, and obviously I'm looking for a soft glam look, so I want something more natural. So taking my Morphe 410 brush, I'm going to apply the base all over my eyelid and carving out my brow at the same time. Now I'm just going to switch up to my MAC 230 brush to apply the P.LOUISE base over the rest of my eyelid. And repeat on the other eye. Going back in with my MAC and applying it to the rest of my eyelid. I'm going to start by taking my Mitchell palette, and I'm going to take the shade Muse. Then taking my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to use a technique called dump and blend. So I'm going to take the colour from the outer corner of my eye and I'm going to pack it in a half moon shape about halfway up my eyelid. Okay, now we've created our half moon shape, I'm going to blend that out with a slightly lighter colour, and the colour that I'm using is called Man Made. To finish the blend, I'm going to take my Morphe 443 brush and a bronzing powder and just blend that in so I have a seamless finish. Once you're happy with your blend, we can go ahead and basically rinse and repeat on the other eye. Now taking the Morphe 456 brush, taking the base shade that we applied previously, we're going to reapply it onto a bottom lid to create a fresh base for any further eyeshadow to go onto. Once you're happy with your buffed clean space, we can then go in and apply the shadows on top of it. The colour that I've chosen to go on top of that buffed base is from the Jeffree Star Blue Blood collection, and I'm going to use the colour Crystal Flesh. And I will be applying that with my Morphe 456 brush. Now I'm just going to take this MAC brown eyeliner and I'm going to apply it to my waterline. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer underneath my eye, and I'm going to use the same P.LOUISE base that I used as the base on top of my eye. Now taking the Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 320N and my MAC foundation brush 439. Now I love this brush because it creates a really super flawless photo finish look. It also allows you to customise your foundation to suit you because you can just keep building it until you get the coverage that you like. Now taking the Morphe 173, which is my small foundation buffing brush, I'm just going to take that underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to set my foundation in place using the MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm going to use the Morphe M527. Now taking a small angled brush and the colour Man Made, I'm just going to apply a small amount underneath my lashes. Now using the Morphe 158, I'm going to apply Crystal Flesh underneath my eye. Now time for a bit of highlight, and again I'm going to use the same P.LOUISE base. Okay, so I have applied that in a triangle in the centre of my forehead, down the side of my nose, across my cheek and under my eye, and using my Morphe 173 I'm just going to gently buff that into the skin. Now taking my Morphe 405 brush, I'm going to apply the bronzer onto my forehead, into the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, and down the outside edges of my nose. contour my nose, I'm going to take the Morphe E62 brush. And now I'm just going to gently blend out the contour. Taking the MAC Prep and Prime with a beauty blender, we are then going to bake the face. This is going to firmly set the foundation in place and further highlight the contouring that we've previously done. Now taking the Morphe E4 brush and a MAC blusher, I'm just going to add a little bit of colour to the apples of my cheek. For my lashes, I'm going to take the TATTI lash, the TL16. For my highlight, I'm taking Becca Hill's Champagne Pop and my MAC 184 fan brush. For my lipstick, I'm going to take the L'Oreal colour, and this is in the shade Be Captivating. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you have any questions or comments, then please put them in the comments box below. I would love to hear them. If you want to try out recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on social media. And as always, I would be really grateful if you would like and share this video, because it really does help me out a lot. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.